Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 14th chapter statistics. Exercise 14.3. In this already I have completed 3 sums. So the third sum I have given in the description box, you can check. Now fourth sum. So this one is, in this question, the length of 40 leaves of a plant measured correct to 1 millimeter and the obtained data is represented in the following. So this is the data given. We are asked to draw histogram. So histogram, till previous sum we did a bar graph. So in that the information will be given and the data will be given. So that we will be plotting it in the bar graph. So this one is histogram. So this is for the continuous class. If the class intervals, if the frequency of the class intervals is given continuously, we will draw histogram. Continuous, for continuous class intervals, histogram is drawn. That is, the bars will be continuous. There won't be gap between two rectangles like bar graph. In bar graph, there will be a gap. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. If you are drawing a rectangle, in between gap, 1 centimeter gap will be there. That is for bar graph. So this histogram is a continuous table. That rectangle will be continuous. That bars will be continuous without gap. Okay. So histogram. So draw histogram. Is there any other suitable representation for the same data? Is it correct to conclude that the maximum number of leaves is 153 millimeter long and why? So first we will give the answer for the first one. So in this question, length in millimeter, number of leaves is given. So in this, here it is given in distribution, but it is not continuous. For making it continuous, if we are asked to draw histogram, the distribution should be continuous. So for making it continuous, we will subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit. So this is lower class limit. If we take 118 and 126, if we take 118 and 126, this is the lower class limit. 118 is the lower class limit, 126 is the upper class limit. We will subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit. That is, we will get 117.5 to, we will add that 0.5 in the upper class limit. So 126.5 we will get. Okay. So the same way, next distribution is 127 to 135. So when we subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit, we will get 126.5. And the lower class limit will be 135.5. Then we will start with 135.5. So we will get a continuous data. If we have continuous data only, continuous class distribution, that is the class intervals only, we can able to draw histogram. So it has to be made. So we will draw a tabular column for this data. We will make it continuous. So length in millimeter, and then number of leaves. So so here it is, as I told you, I will change this data 117.5 to 126.5. Then 126.5 to 135.5. Then 135.5 to 144.5. Then 144.5 to 153.5. Then 153.5 to 162.5. Then 162.5 to 171.5. Then 171.5 to 180.5. So we have made the distribution continuous. Continuous means it will be continuing. 117.5 to 126, then 126 to 135, like that continuous. So this one there won't be any change. So 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4 and then 2. So we have converted the given distribution to the continuous class intervals. Now we will draw histogram for the above information. So here in this, x-axis will be length in millimeter, y-axis will be number of leaves. So x-axis, it is starting from 117.5. So 117.5. So in this one, we will make it as a broken line, stacked line we'll say. Why? Because we are not going to write from the beginning. Whatever data is given, from that only we are going to start. So, we will write it as 117.5 to 126.5. So, we will leave 1 centimeter gap, then we will start this. That is 117.5 to 126.5, then 135.5, then 144.5, then 153.5, then 162.5, then 171.5, and the last one is 180.5. So this is x-axis. Y-axis maximum we are having 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will take y-axis 1 centimeter is 2 units. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, so now this one is 117.5 to 126 is 3. So 3 will be between 2 and 4. Between 2 and 4. So this is the bar for that. Then next one is 5. 126 to 135 is 5. That is also between 4 and 6. Then next one is 9. 135.5 to 144 is 9. So everything we are getting in between only. Then next one is 12. So as I told you, histogram is a continuous rectangle will be there. Continuous bars will get without any gap. Then next one is 5. Next one is 5. So this is 5. Then 4. Next one is 4. So 4 will be. Then 2. Next one is 2. So this is the histogram. So histogram will be a continuous data. Rectangles only will draw, but it will be continuous data. Okay. Then this is the answer for the first one. Draw histogram. So we have drawn histogram. Then is there any other suitable representation for the same data? Yes. We can do frequency polygon. So frequency polygon, how we can do is, we'll connect all the midpoints of the rectangular bars. So if we connect all the midpoints of the rectangular bars, that is called frequency distribution table. Sorry, that is called frequency polygon, not frequency distribution table, frequency polygon. So if we connect everything like this, that is called frequency polygon. Okay, so that is the other suitable representation for this. Here, before that also, that is 0. In that 0 also, we will connect it. Here also in that 0, we will connect. So that the area of the histogram and the area of the frequency polygon we can calculate, and it will be equal. Definitely it will be equal. We are not going to that extent of calculating all those things and checking whether it is equal, but the area will be definitely equal, so that we have to connect this 0 and 0. That is, from 0 only it has to start and it has to end in that 0. So that is frequency polygon. Second one. Then third one is it correct to conclude that the maximum number of leaves is 153 millimeter long and wide? Can we calculate here 153.5 millimeter? This is given as, the maximum is given 12 here. But we cannot conclude it like this. Why? Because for 153 maximum is not 12. The distribution between 144 to 153 is only given as 12. So any number can be between these two numbers. There can be numbers, that is 145, 146, 147, 152, like that many numbers are there. So all those things will make 12 here. So that is the maximum number of leaves. So we cannot conclude that the maximum number of leaves is 153. Okay, it is between the distribution 144.5 to 153.5. We cannot say that it is 153. 153 millimeter long. No, long 153 millimeter long, we cannot say that. Okay, so we have given answers for all the things. This is called histogram. We are going to do histogram. In the remaining 3 or 4 sums, we are going to do histogram and frequency polygon. Okay, thank you.